you so much for accepting serving as the husband of your daughter. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin, please. Bride and groom, dito kayo sa gitna, please. This time, unahin natin, Zana, hawakan mo ang chest banda, both hands na yung ex-boyfriend. Kasi finally, he is now your husband. Sana all, kaluwi sa bayan na host. And this time, the very handsome groom, Sir Win, hawakan mo ang bewang ng yung ex-girlfriend is finally, she is now your wife. While you're dancing, habang nagsasayaw kayo, mag-usap kayo, mga happy thoughts, yung parang first day na sinagot ka ni Zana. And of course, Zana, yung parang first day na nakita mo ang Malangkoko Martina kagwapo ni Sir Win. At pag-chorus ng music, when I shout kiss, mag-kiss kayo ng 10 seconds. And everyone, a round of applause please, to the first dance of the newlywed couple, Sir Win and Zana, as husband and wife, as a Mr. and Mrs. Matas. A round of applause please, everyone.